not break my only mirror.
Bro, it was glued on there.
Sure.
It was glued on there.
Sure.
Oh shoot!
Well, now I'd have a no rear mirror. I'm gonna take it for not having a mirror. What was that? Well, this is gonna be a great trip.
There's so much going on in this car.
Stupid. What? Touch my ear.
Made it.
How am I supposed to?
I know. I was just thinking that. Oh, I think we found it.
Oh, made it.
Oh, maybe we should shut the windows.
Well. Oh, okay, that noise.
Going through the water. Praise God.
Hello.
What's this? What's this?
Oh, Jurassic Park. Oh, these have handlebars.
You sure? Yo.
I would check to see how deep that is
Yeah, bro.
before you complete.
Should I just gun it?
No, step outside and see how deep it is.
Safe.
No, it's not. You. Okay. That's good for your car. Or like leave.
Should I leave and go back the other way and go a different way?
Yes.
Or should I continue on that way?
I love how he just asked the question,
And then he just
answers his own question. Me, because I'm not.
How low is this, you think?
I don't think it's worth it.
I mean, it's not that bad. Okay, now it's bad.
Bad? No.
No, absolutely not.
I mean,
I think we can do it.
No.
Look, see how the land's coming up over there?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's mud. I don't want to get stuck.
Oh. No, we can drive through a lake, but the mud.
where you going? Boy, you better stop plowing, jump out this car right now.
Okay, this isn't the office, Chris.
Oh.
No. Oh, no, you better. You. Okay.
I didn't know it was that big of a drop off.
Okay.
Oh, that was bad. We're in the safari. With the safari.
He didn't laugh.
Lord.
Oh.
You want to go that way?
Yeah.
That way?
Away from the window. Oh, God.
Going back through that was bad. Oh man, that was so bad. Oh, Safari, are you okay?
Oh, okay, my phone just fell.
Wow, we really have so much liberty to choose left or right.
Right
Laura.
looks a little dangerous.
Right?
So right then?
Oh,
maybe
you
not.
went
I
that
think
like
that's just
that.
impossible.
Ooh, yeah, never mind.
No,
Shut
that's
up.
actual concrete. Okay, Chris.
I do want to make it home.
I'd like
My
to be
dad
in
texted.
my
Did I tell you my
bed
dad
tonight.
texted me and he goes, "Tell me you're not riding with Chris today. I want you home alive."
Do you
in all
smell that?
caps.
I feel like this was a bad idea. Really?
Oh my God, I don't think that's
Sorry, I
possible.
think-
Yeah,
Christopher.
I mean, I thought the cement blocks were bad, and then
Oh.
we just kept going.
Oh, look at the flowers, though.
Where? Oh.
Notice the pretty things in life.
I hate to pee.
Okay. I mean, there's a lot of nature.
You do too?
Yeah.
Should we pee?
See you guys in a minute.
Oh wait, I have overalls. Oh.
That's,
I think I can hold it.
Please put that in the vlog. There's a spider. You want to get the spider that's around?
kill it.
What
Kill
kind of
it.
spider?
Okay,
Kill it.
got it.
Did you kill?
No, there's another one.
Look at that.
killed it.
You found it?
Yep, I found it. He came right back out.
Got that on tape too. Wow, Stacy, really? We're off-roading. You have to do this right now.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I should go over that. Tafari, can you move that?
No. Oh, that thing is big. I can't get it.
Well, that's a whole
Log
tree.
out of the
Yo, it's like a whole family here, bro.
of spiders?
We're
Okay,
fighting
wait, how?
tarantulas.
Does that thing work back there? The wipers?
I don't know how to open it.
Really
Well,
successful.
keep going. I can see you're good. Wait, why you backing up all the way?
Because I don't think I can go over that tree.
You gonna go ahead and get out and lift it up, or?
I can't. It's a whole tree. Or should I go over it?
Not that strong.
Should I go over it?
I want to get. Alright, here we go.
They probably been in the car the whole time.
No. No. No.
Screw that.
No.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I just broke the exhaust.
You probably did.
I broke the exhaust.
Okay, yeah, because that was a great idea. Is it just obliterated under?
If we go over one bump, it's gonna smack that thing.
What, back in place or something, or? Oh, right, left.
I don't know what you mean.
Go.
I can't see anything out the back window.
Farmer John takes us to the bush.
Wow, we're gonna get carbon monoxide poisoning.
Oh, the dream. Looking for spiders, are you?
Well, that thing was big.
It fell on me.
It went this way.
No, I saw it. I saw it.
I saw it too.
Okay.
It went this way.
Well, I saw another one. Let's get the heck out of here.
Please.
Go. Where do we go? Rebecca, go. Rebecca, now what?
Okay,
Things are going good. We've been reversing for 3 miles now, so.
No? Let me go forward a little. Who hit me? What the heck?
That was a spider.
Don't do that. That scared the
It was
crap
like
out of
this
me.
big.
Well, that scared the crap out of me.
Oh! Sorry.
What?
There was a bug. There was a bug.
That was it.
I think we just lost the underneath of the Jeep.
We just heard a very loud noise and a big bump.
Oh my gosh. It's on the ground.
It's on the ground.
Oh,
This happens when you go over an entire tree in the road.
First we need to lift it,
Hold up.
then go over
Wait.
trees.
What does that do? Like,
It cleans the air before it goes out, so let's just take it off and throw it in the trunk.
so.
Oh, shotgun shells?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're gonna die.
So, the aftermath
Like,
of
if I
off-roading.
Oh, bro, that thing is bent, bro.
Let me see.
It's hitting a whole U-turn.
Where?
You thought I was lying? I told you.
Safari, can you describe what happened?
I don't even know what to say. It's just bad.
It's bad. It's just bad.
Are we stranded? Yes. You're gonna die?
Safari.
Yes.
Where it makes the U-turn.
Honestly, just man up, grab it.
Oh, it's actually not that hot.
Okay, you do it.
You do it.
Oh, do you need a screwdriver?
Because I have to take the whole thing off. It's connected.
So
Let's just take it all off and throw it in the trunk.
Can you stop doing that while
My
she's
underwear
going?
is riding up.
I got ideas. Might sound stupid. But since it's already bent, just reverse. It's going to go right back.
Either way, we have to take that bolt off. So let's see if there's pliers.
That's nice.
Everyone look for like
Yeah.
pliers.
Pliers?
What?
Pliers.
We heard you.
Well, it pulls this off, but that doesn't really do anything for us.
Like, I lay on my back, or you lay on your back, and we kick it like this.
I vote Farmer John lays.
Yeah, bro, like, then it's...
Just two guys being dudes.
Yo,
What's
we
better
so-
than
I
this?
think-
Tell Honeycutt to come back over here for a picture. You need a
Okay, we're not
thumbnail.
doing a picture right now.
You need a thumbnail.
Not right now. Oh, Tafari, come here. Oh, from that side. Go on that side.
Oh, shoot. Like, that's a deep stuff. Like,
Let's just throw it in reverse. What's the worst that could happen?
I just told you.
It breaks.
Who wants to do it?
Alright. I'll do it.
No, yeah, in reverse.
Okay. Is it on?
No, you have to put the screwdriver. Hold it.
Okay. screwdriver. Give me the screwdriver. I'm gonna pray over the screwdriver.
Let's pray over the car.
Yep.
Is it not starting?
Give me the screwdriver.
Hold on. Here, hold
Why
this, hold
did
this,
you
hold this.
turn it off?
I don't know. Maybe I'll sit in the seat. Here, maybe that's what it is.
That's what it is. That's the magic trick. You have to be the one doing it.
Tafari, bad news.
What?
It's not starting at all.
Good time if the headlights turn on. We shouldn't shut it off.
Mm-mm. No.
Okay, that means the battery's not connected. Praise God. All right.
This seems like that makes sense.
Tell me if the lights turn on.
Slap it. Yes.
I just want to sit back and watch this feat of engineering here.
I'm trying something. Because I don't feel like.
Oh, let it go.
Oh, never mind. That's just gonna.
Okay.
Not turning that back off.
That was the scariest moment of my life.
Super scary.
Oh, look, right? That shit was hurt.
Hold on. No, hold on. Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Go!
Oh, that's good. All right. That's good.
It's not necessary. We don't need that part of the car.
All right. Now we have to push that.
Thoughts? No, none?
No, Addie told me to write my last will and testament, and I forgot.
Oh.
Jumanji has officially
Begun. Push it. Push it.
There you go.
Twist it this way.
For John here, hard at work.
Pull it. Come on, Chris. You do this. Pull up.
Take 27.
Yes. Come on. Yeah, keep going. Pull it.
Safari here. You try.
And I'm. Oh, good.
Oh, you almost got it. Like that. Now we have to get the pipe out.
Just pull it. You good. Just pull it. Hey, you got it.
It's fine, didn't get kicked in the face.
Alright, so half the car is in the car,
Throw that in the trunk.
and you're dripping and dirty.
Should I go to this side? Body of water.
Half of it.
That was bad.
Oh, it hurts. Oh, we're out.